Hi everyone, I'm Ken from CryptoTradingKS and the inventor of the CTKS method and Borsog trading. If you're new, a very warm welcome and welcome back KS family. Please note I don't have WhatsApp or Telegram. From my 30 plus years in financial markets, I share the smart money mindset to assist you to be more of a financial blessing to yourself and those you love, gaining real wealth and positive excellence in the process. Let's run the numbers. Bitcoin is currently down 0.01% to 16,834. Ethereum is down 0.13% to 1220. Total crypto market cap is currently $770 billion. And we can see that it's basically gone flat for the past couple of days. When we looked at the options market yesterday, we got a bit of a path where potentially price could lead, and it's not done too badly. But let's have a look at what the options market is expecting for Bitcoin over the next couple of days. For the next day or so, the options market is pointing towards some negative price momentum and then a flattening out. But we don't just listen to the options market. We do our daily three-dimensional risk management code called the CTKS Code. At the moment, the market is turning up. So if that's the case, we put a U here for the current market condition. Now the question is, will the market go down, will it go neutral, or will it go up? The concept from the options market is it will go down. How, if that actually occurred, how would that impact your portfolio? And how in synchronization do you feel with the market? Always remember, you control the trade or investment, but the market controls the return based on your active learning, your knowledge plus your courage. Also, remember that the market penalizes blame and gambling. The literal function of the market is to move money from the desynchronized to the synchronized. So getting synchronized is really, really important. The reason that we look at Bitcoin is no alt can escape Bitcoin's gravity. If you're not looking at Bitcoin, you're actually costing yourself a huge amount of money. You don't have to buy it, but you do have to look at it. When we look at the number of Bitcoin margin longs here in green and the number of Bitcoin margin shorts here in red, we can see the shorts are not very confident at all about the market. The longs are more confident. We can see some confidence came out of the market just recently as the longs were liquidated, and now the shorts are getting liquidated, so the longs are feeling more confident. Over the past 24 hours, there's been $20.7 million in total liquidations across 7,574 trading positions. That's really, really small. And when we look at the past 24 hours, total liquidations, 78% long. What about the past 12 hours? 78.4% long. What about the past 4 hours? Yeah, went the other way. 55% short. And what about the past hour? Nearly 98% short. That's why the longs are getting a little bit more confidence after getting a bit whacked around the head. And one thing that we note is it's really low trading volumes at the moment, and that's anticipated. Everybody's chilling, enjoying Christmas. And wherever you are in this beautiful world, I hope you've had a wonderful Christmas, or you're in the process of having a fantastic one. The greatest gainers in the past 24 hours, OKB, Litecoin, LDO, Casper, IOTA, Atom, Monero, and Clayton. The greatest losers over the past 24 hours, top 100, Chain, XCN. If it keeps on going like this, poor old Chain will disappear out of the top 100. TWT, EGLD, USDN, Stacks, Aptos, Synthetics, and Helium. Looking at the stablecoins, we see USDT, Tether, increasing in terms of market capitalization. USDC starting to turn the corner, but BUSD is still declining in terms of market cap. When looking at the top 8 cryptos, we can see that Bitcoin has staged a little bit of a rally up to a short-term resistance area. Well done, Bitcoin. But what do we know? As Bitcoin goes up, what happens to our beloved alts? They go up as well. And Ethereum, not one to disappoint, did so exactly. And I've just put the stable coins here for you. USDT versus USD, that's Tether. USDC, that's Circle. BUSD, that's Binance. And we can see BNB a little bit weaker than Bitcoin's gravity. Notice that Bitcoin has recovered to this particular area, and BNB, it's down here. BNB and Binance has been under a lot of scrutiny since FTX. With the implosion of FTX, people are justifiably worried about centralized exchanges. That's why we're keeping a very close eye on the stablecoins as well. Personally, I think Binance will come through this particular problem, but I'm still keeping my eye on it. We can also see XRP just selling down much more weakly than what is actually happening to both Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. I'll show you what I mean by that. Look at this particular big sell down in XRP. I've just drawn the cursor so you can see the comparison to all of the other ones. Bitcoin sold down a little bit, but not so much. Ethereum also sold down, but look at this over-exaggeration of Bitcoin's negative price momentum, this part here, and look at how it impacted XRP, just the little part there. The same thing did not happen to Binance Coin, BNB. It's really good that you look at your particular cryptos with this in mind. You want to look very widely across the crypto market. Just don't focus on your specific crypto. Professionals look really widely on things, and we can see Doge suffered a major setback here, as did Ethereum, as did Bitcoin, of course, as did the other ones, but it's recovering quite nicely. But still, it's not at the same level as Bitcoin. Just keep these relative differentials in mind. Turning to the next top cryptos, we can see ADA just moving in directional alignment with Bitcoin's gravity. Matic is doing the same. DAI is a stable coin. DOT, it's very much under Bitcoin's gravitational pull at the moment. It's quite negative. Tron is looking quite good, and Litecoin has taken off. It's getting lighter again, people. Litecoin likes to do this, and just be aware of the waves. Price is always moving in a wave, up and down, up and down. Look at SHIB. SHIB is just following Bitcoin's gravitational pull, and Solana is very much weaker. The more cryptos you look at, the better off you'll be and more prepared you'll be for trading inside the crypto market. Or if you're just investing, you need to know when to dollar cost average in. Don't do it at a set time of the month. That is really crazy. You'll cost yourself a fortune. Make sure that you're dollar cost averaging in when the markets are blood red. Look at Uni. Uni is much weaker than Bitcoin's gravity, and we can see AVAX is also weaker. Link is a little bit stronger than both Uni and AVAX, just moving in accordance with Bitcoin's gravity. Atom is looking really interesting. Atom and Litecoin are probably pretty much the standouts at the moment. Ethereum Classic and Bitcoin Cash just following through on Bitcoin's gravity. Ape not doing too badly at all, seeking to get above this short-term level of resistance, and we can see Quant very much below Bitcoin's gravity at the current time. There were some beautiful comments in yesterday's video. In yesterday's video, I talked about addressing people by their name, and Purpuratum had some really beautiful things to say. Addressing people by their name builds trust and respect. Even if they're having a bad day, most people will look up and make eye contact, and a smile is made. Shy people tend to open up more quickly when they're called by their name, because it creates a personal bond and focuses attention on the conversation to follow. In what's increasingly become an SMS-based society, people have stopped addressing each other by their own names, and this is really dehumanizing. And if you're going out and going to do some New Year's shopping and grab some bargains, please, when you see a person's name tag, just say hi to that person. Well done. Thank you for doing such a great job, if they're doing a great job. In Zone 1 and Zone 2, people think that servers are just there to serve them. They're minions or slaves or something like that. It's an utterly ridiculous, preposterous condition to hold inside one's mind. That's definitely not the case. Those people are real people. They're trying to make a living. Showing them kindness is Christmas spirit, and that's what Christmas is supposed to be about. Thank you, Purpuratum, for your very beautiful comment. Kindness is probably the world's most underestimated superpower. Every time you show kindness to someone, you are a superhero. Great to see you again, Dickie Man. Dickie says 2023 is going to be a belter. I think so too, my friend. And Banjo Funkster, so good to see you. Merry Christmas, everyone. And Banjo said, your daily words have maintained my positive attitude. Thank you so much, my friend. I do get a little bit passionate from time to time because I think this world really needs to change. And the only way to change it is for us to be the change we want to see. And Banjo, I hope you're feeling better after your operations too, my friend. TSP agreed with Purpuratum. I wish the first part of the video was understood by more people in our world, especially the younger generations. The younger generations are definitely in a race to the top, and that's not such a bad thing. But getting to the top, the way to get there is to actually build strong relationships and not build weak ones. Being kind actually builds strong relationships. As a senior executive in multi-billion-dollar companies, I can assure you that the people that we promoted had good people skills. Without good people skills, with strong technical skills, up-and-coming managers or up-and-coming executives would just alienate their staff, and that would cause turnover of good people. Kindness is very, very underestimated. If you want to have a tip on how to get promoted, just be kind. It's really, really simple. Nothing more to it. To Divine Art, what a really beautiful, beautiful comment. To Hi Ken and Hi Kate, KS family, gratitude, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year and Winter Solstice. I love being here with everyone. Zone 1 and Zone 2 and negative thoughts are big blocks to our ability to feel empathy for others. Thank you, my friend. And Oscar said, love seeing Christmas as a holiday of giving, and the frame of a to-be list is just awesome. And the to-be list that Oscar speaks of are all these green boxes inside Positive Excellence. If you want sustainable fulfillment, meaning happiness and success, just check off these words in this to-be list. Don't worry about your to-do list. Your to-be list is much, much more important. When we call a person by their name, and I'm kind of harping on this because I think it's really important, we're showing respect for the other person. We're showing kindness to the other person. We're showing gratitude to the other person as well. We're actually treating people as people, not as objects. And to do this, we need empathy. So the hallmark is to actually develop as much empathy as possible. It's the fastest way to do well in life. When people are in Zone 1 and Zone 2, it's a win-lose battle. Basically, people have to lose for them to win. And some people like seeing other people lose in order for them to win. That's a really, really bad place to come from, because it just doesn't work. If you want other people to lose and you to win, those other people will come gunning for you sooner or later. What you actually want is a win-win situation, and this requires a different mindset, one of abundance. Scarcity governs Zone 1 and Zone 2. Scarcity also governs Zone 3. It's still win-lose. People are showing off their wealth. But in Zone 4, it's win-win. It's a completely different way to live your life, and it's a beautiful way. And especially as we come to the new year, I think it's important to think, who do you want to be in 2023? How many of these boxes can you tick? How many have you already ticked? Which are the ones you want to focus on? Please let me know in the comments, which of these to-be list boxes do you find the most important? Or which box have you found to be the most important to get you into positive excellence? Edwin shared a really beautiful comment. It is during this period we give thanks and reflect on what we have, the moments of excitement, joy, challenges, and we also ponder what the future, or even charts, may be before us. I am here to express and extend my joy and love of being part of the CTKS family, and I'm so appreciative of all the support from everyone in 2022. Edwin. Also, to everybody that we've met, thank you for being with us. we wouldn't be able to achieve what we have done without you all. May you all have a wonderful, peaceful, joyful holiday with the people that matter and are important to you. The gift of CTKS, the gift of real wealth, the gift of positive excellence, may all these be yours. Wishing you all a season full of light and laughter. Merry Christmas, Ken and Kate, and to the rest of the CTKS family. Oh, Edwin, so beautiful, my friend. Edwin, as a CTKS ambassador, is just the very embodiment of what it means to be a CTKS ambassador, and you'll find all the CTKS ambassadors to be incredibly beautiful and wonderful people. I'm so grateful and appreciative to know you all. Part of the CTKS method is the CTKS Creed, which primes our mind for profitability and happiness in life. These are a series of positive affirmation statements you just say to yourself. They're important because they get rid of fear and install courage. Acting on fear creates the fear. We don't want to do that. We need to act with courage, but also knowledge. Here is the creed. I know the universe wants me to succeed. Every day I show kindness, integrity, and gratitude. I know opportunities in life reset daily. I am worthy. I go slow to go fast. I start small and scale with Borsog. Life pullbacks give me the strength for the next life rally. I am dedicated and committed. I win or learn and never blame. And I never let a problem beat me because I solve it with positive excellence. If you have family or friends who could benefit from positive excellence and what we do here each and every day, please introduce them to our community by sharing a video. We'd love to see them here. We have one of the best communities on YouTube. Stay safe out there, my friends. Take care and see you tomorrow. Bye for now.